Hello everyone. Today our topic is sequencing batch reactor. Now, what is the sequencing batch reactor? So far we are discussing about wastewater treatment. Now this is one of the treatments that we are giving to the wastewater before making it suitable for drinking. What this sequencing batch reactor is, as the name itself indicates, sequence, and in sequence we are doing anything like we are going through step by step process for the wastewater. This process is also called as fill and draw activated sludge system for wastewater treatment, and it may follow the flow diagram as it's influent, whatever the influence that coming from home, industries, or any other source. You are receiving everyday collection from any other source. Suppose I have selected here sewage coming from home. Next step is I will put on screening. I will give a proper screening to this wastewater. Whatever the big grit, whatever the bars are present into the wastewater, I will try to screen it out by providing commutators or marators. Next will be I will grind it. Whatever the waste is remaining in this step, next step will be I will grind it out. Sometimes screens fail. It may not help or in breaking big wastes. Now what I have to do, I have to grind it out. Then comes your sequencing batch reactor. Here my process starts. Your equalization, your filtration, then your disinfection, then whatever the effluent is coming, I will receive it here. Now first is, if we talk about states, since I already told you this is about fill and draw. First I will have to fill the draw tank, whatever the tank is available, since I'm talking about sequencing batch reactor. So obviously I will be working on sequencing batch reactor. This is fill. Here I will collect the wastewater from any other source, whatever the source is available to you. I have collected the wastewater. Then if I need anything onto it, I will do. If I do not know, I do not do. What I did is I have collected wastage from my home or from any other source. That too without mixing. I have not mixed any kind of chemicals into it. I have not added anything to it. Without mixing, I am entering any influent onto the sediment, onto the tank. Next will be that reaction. What will be the reaction here? What happens? Here reaction takes place if any kind of addition you need or not. Suppose I have collected black water or brown water, that may collect your human excreta, that may collect your feces, etc. At the same time, it has got some kind of gases also. Now what happens in the reaction? Since my water is brown, what I do, I will allow some kind of reactants onto it in order to make a smooth reaction, but only if it's required. If it does not require, I'll skip this process or I will skip this step and I will enter into the next point, that will be settle. What is all about this settle? Since I know this water contains chemicals, this contains gases, this contains everything because it's impure. So what I want in this step, I want whatever the biomass is present into this brown water, I'll try to settle it down. I'll not enter it to next step to block my tank. I will block it here. I will let it to settle down into the tank. Okay, I have settled it down into the tank, whatever the biomass was present in the wastewater. My next step was decant. My next step, decant. What happens in the step? It decanted all the wastewater. Whatever the wastewater is present, it decant all. Next process is, that is ideal. Since I have fill, react, settle, then you are decant. What I do is I have finished my process here. I have given proper treatment at each and every step. Now my step will be ideal. Here what I will do, I have another set of wastewater. What I do, I will start that batch. My first batch is already finished. I have given its treatment, I have filled it, I have reacted, I have settled, I have decanted it. Now I will use another batch of reaction water. Here what I do, I will follow the same step but in the sequence wise: screening, grinding, SBR, that is sequence batch reactor equalization, your filtration, then effluent. Now here I will be allowing the new water to enter. As I allow new water to enter, what I do is I will follow the same steps, then I will get the new effluent coming out. Here, if I need, I will do filtration so that whatever the chemicals are over there, that will remain into the filters and I will get more decanted water as effluent. This is how sequencing batch reactor works. Thank you.